Are you tired of waiting for your home to be built? Want to take matters into your own hands? Then do we have a solution for you? Introducing the Shane Homes Build Your Own Home Kit. That's right, you'll get everything you need to build your own home. Well, almost everything. That's right, tons of assembly required. But don't worry, it's simple. Just 3,000 easy to assemble pieces, one single tool, and a massive instruction manual. You can build your dream home in just 24 days.
What are these for?
I think these are windows.
Wow, this only took us 19 hours so far.
And yes, we've included a completely random number of nails. Are they extra? Did you miss a step? Who's to say?
Why are there so many extra nails?
I don't know, is this a test or are we missing something? I think we're missing a wall.
And after just 24 days of sweat, tears, and mild confusion, you too can have a home, almost move-in ready.
I am very happy with my Build Your Own Home Kit. The instructions were clear and the process was very enjoyable. I do not regret my purchase.
But wait, before you order, a few quick disclaimers. Results may vary. Some assembly steps require 3 hands. Shane Homes is not responsible for misplaced walls, doors that don't open, or windows installed upside down. House may be vulnerable to mild wind gusts, aggressive door slams, and gentle rain. The Build Your Own Home Kit should not be submerged in water. If flooding occurs, you may have accidentally installed the roof upside down. Use only as directed. Do not attempt to live in the home until walls, ceilings, and floors are mostly secured. If your home collapses on first use, congratulations, you built an open concept floor plan. Batteries not included. Common sense also not included. If your home remains unfinished for more than 24 days, please consult a professional.
Or better yet, just let us build it for you.